how to send money from Steam Wallet to a friend. I will show you how you can easily send money from a Steam Wallet to a friend. First, open the Steam application on your PC. Once you're logged in, go to the search bar and type Steam gift card. This will help you find digital Steam gift cards that you can send. Next, select the Steam gift card you want to send. You will see an option to send this digital gift card directly to your friend's account. After that, click on the Games tab in the main menu. From the drop-down menu, select Redeem a Steam Wallet code. In the provided field, enter your Steam Wallet code to add funds to your Steam Wallet. Once you've added the funds, click on See My Account Details to view and manage your account information. Here, you can also add or update your payment methods if needed. Please note you cannot directly send money from your Steam Wallet to a friend. Instead, you can purchase a digital Steam gift card with your wallet funds and send that gift card to your friend. They can then redeem the gift card to add the funds to their own Steam Wallet.